in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the extension of Bitmoji into your web browser so that you can start creating your Bitmoji classroom. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is first and foremost, you're going to need to download Bitmoji onto your phone. And you are going to have to create your avatar. Okay, once you are done with that, then you can open up Google Chrome. Open up Google Chrome, so go ahead and open it up. And you are going to go to bitmoji.com. Okay. And go all the way to the bottom, and here you'll have some options right here to add the extension. If you are so if you're doing it from your phone, click here, but for the purpose of this video, you're going to make sure you open it in Chrome. Okay, so open it in Chrome, and this window will pop up, and you'll see right here where it says Bitmoji right here, and there will be a button right here where it says add to Chrome. I already have mine added, that's why mine says remove, but yours should say add to Chrome. And once you add it, then this little button up here should pop up. If it doesn't, this little green button, if it doesn't, then go ahead and click on the extension, the puzzle right here, and you're just simply going to pin it, like how I have my sketch pad here, it's not pinned. You're just going to click on the pin so that the pin is blue, and it'll show up right here. And then what you will be doing is you're just going to click on it, select the Bitmoji that select the avatar that you want, and you can just copy and paste it onto your virtual classroom. So if you want one of you reading, just type in reading, search for it, and then you can select the clip art, the image. So if I want this one, then I will just right click it, I will copy the image, and I will bring it back to my PowerPoint, or in this case I'm doing PowerPoint only, so I'm going to bring it back to my PowerPoint, and I'm just going to paste it, and here I am. And that's all you have to do for to get your avatar into your classroom. All right, and then in another video, I will show you how to create your virtual classroom.